This is an interesting system because it came as a kit, and you would make it using a servo. And what's interesting about it is you need two power sources, one for the motor and then one for the remote control. And of course this would have been analog crystal control, and of course this system is replaced brushed. This is brushed, and that's like a modern brushed speed controller. One other interesting way of doing it, which I've seen, is this system here, which is quite homemade. It's not variable speed, it's just forward and reverse. And so basically you've got two switches. They stick on the top of the servo, and then the servo just clicks. Click forward or reverse. But no speed control on that one. But I like this, and it's pretty easy. I mean, I don't know how it would go in a model. I guess they did. It seems like a lot of moving parts and something could go wrong, but anyway, not too bad. And of course, you know, brushed has been replaced by brushless, which is a whole new world. But very interesting. Great. Thanks to Bob's Models Varispeed motor control board.